How to get free Microsoft ads. What is Microsoft advertising and how does it work? Microsoft, like Google, is a search engine result page where you can deliver your advertising all over the world. It is a very effective platform for all campaigns aimed at marketing the services that they offer to the public. It provides you with a minimum charge that allows you to sign up for free and begin promoting according to your budget. The Microsoft advertising platform is free to use. You only have to pay when someone clicks on your advertising. In comparison to Google, it has the advantage of providing actual traffic. You can also control or alter your daily spending budget. Before I move on how to get free Microsoft ads and how does Microsoft ads work, please support this channel by subscribing, like, comment and hit a notification button for more videos. Thank you so much for your support. Now let's move on. What is the process of Microsoft advertising? You can easily entice customers to customize your adverts with the ad extension. 1. It is targeted at those who live in close proximity to your store. 2. Creates ads that are tailored to your target audience. 3. It discovered your website's most popular features and pages. 4. Target clients who see your advertisements and visit your website when searching on any device. Having said all that, now let's move on how to get free Microsoft ads. But please remember to like, comment, subscribe and hit a notification button for more videos. Thanks once again for your support. How to get free Microsoft advertising credits, free ads. You can get free Microsoft ads by joining Adzuma for free. When you join Adzuma, you will get $125 in Microsoft ads for free when you spend $25. To get quick access to Adzuma, click on the link below the video in the description area. With Adzuma, you will easily manage, automate and optimize your Google, Microsoft and Facebook ads starting today when you join for free. If you haven't tried Microsoft ads yet, now is a great time to start. Because thanks to our special partnership with Microsoft, Adzuma is excited to offer you $125 in free ads when you spend $25. Get started with Microsoft ads and join Adzuma today. So you can get 5 times your ad spend and a whole new stream of targeted, potential customers. What you have to do is join Adzuma, which is the award-winning paid platform, that's actually free. As I said before, check the link for Adzuma below the video in the description area. Join Adzuma now, you will never regret. Why Adzuma? If you'd like to reduce your daily ad management and optimization to just minutes a day, while easily managing and scaling multiple accounts, you'll love Adzuma. Our Google, Facebook and Microsoft ads platform offers everything you need for stress-free campaign management, all in a single interface. Award-winning ad management platform offers complete control 24/7. Rule-based automation saves you hours every week. 24/7 optimization helps to improve your quality score, conversions and ROI. Opportunity Engine analyzes ad data and suggests improvements you can action in a few clicks. Multiple account management for all-in-one place convenience. Multiple account management for all-in-one place convenience. Real-time custom reporting tracks ROI and keeps you in full control at all times. This platform is now free, but as you can see from the list it offers more than some paid platforms. Don't waste your time joining platforms which only take your money yet now results to your business. Join Adzuma now and save more profits. Click on the fast link below the video to get started with Adzuma. This brings us to an end, thanks so much for watching. If you have got value from this video, please support me by liking it, comment, subscribe and hit a notification button for more videos. Thanks for doing so.